para siya yung mga minamud mask, if you're familiar. That
so medyo thick yung kanyang consistency.
Yes.
And so, anong ginagawa po niya?
So the kaolin clay, it helps buff away the surface stains.
Oh, okay.
And it absorbs the impurities from your teeth. So nalilift up niyo yung surface stains. And then you also have the micro brighteners. Micro brighteners para siyang lihab. It softly scrubs away the buildups of your teeth.
Right, okay.
So these two
Para
ingredients,
siyang pamper talaga para sa ngipin mo.
it's like a spa day for your teeth.
Okay.
So the combination of these two ingredients, they allow us deep cleansing. Ang deep cleansing ng product.
Pero you can use it daily.
Yes, it's very safe for the teeth. It's safe on the enamel.
So gentle pa rin siya sa teeth. Kahit deep cleansing siya.
Yes, it's still gently deep cleaning for your teeth. So this one, no, it gives you up to 4 times whitening power with regular use. And it's really impressive. It's scientifically tested through our lab test. So wala ka talagang product for this. On the other hand,
Okay. Usod ako, no? Kahanan ako eh. Okay.
On the other hand,
Sorry po, naririnig niyo po ba kami na maayos?
yes, tinig naman.
Okay.
Alright.
Kung may tanong po kayo, okay lang po. Live po to. Pwede po kayong magtanong.
Yes.
Kasi po
On the other hand, Barbie, we have the purple serum toothpaste here. Ito naman, meron siyang kakaibang purple serum technology.
Pretty naman ito. Nakakakla.
Bagay sa dress.
Purple serum technology. Ano po ang ginagawa ng purple serum technology?
Yes, so the purple serum technology, it color corrects the yellow tones in your teeth. Kung familiar ka sa color correcting makeup,
Yes.
or sa purple shampoo, it's like that. No, that allows our product to instantly whiten your teeth from the first brush. Yes, instantly whiter from the first brush. But of course, with regular use and subject to brushing
Will
habits,
continue to be white
it will
talaga.
continue to be
Yes,
white as long
yes.
as you use it regularly.
Yeah.
Pero if nagmamadali ka, you want to make sure that your teeth gets that extra oomph, you can use the instant whitening power of the purple serum toothpaste.
Wow.
Alright. So, siguro Barbie, kung di ka naniniwala, no? Kasi you've seen purple color corrector makeup,
Yeah,
or
tsaka
purple
parang kasi
shampoo.
bago siya sa pantitig natin eh, di ba? Yung
Yes.
purple serum technology. Kasi honestly, ang serum akala ko dati pang mukha lang.
Oo, di ba?
Tama? Pang skin, ganyan. So
May
parang
color
ito ba
corrector.
ang pinakaunang serum gel toothpaste?
Yes, exactly right. This is the
Wow.
first ever serum gel toothpaste. Rightly so, coming from the brand that first made gel toothpastes. It's actually Close Up. So the first
Right.
serum toothpaste also from Close Up.
Actually, ang favorite ko talaga yung red.
I love that too. I love that too. But maybe if you want to try something new, this is it, right?
Oh.
So Barbie, if you will know, we have an experiment here to show you how
Okay.
that
Ooh,
purple
demo.
serum technology.
Paano natin gagawin? Saan natin gagawin
Right.
ito?
Actually, Barbie, kailangan ko ng materials eh. Pwede ko kailangan yung kwintas mo? Pwede ba yung necklace mo?
Pearls yung necklace ni Barbie, gagamitin natin? Okay lang. What? On the spot pala.
Sige.
Oh my
Okay. Sure.
Guys, nakakanaban natin si
Closely,
Barbie.
ha?
Hindi naman to regalo ng special someone.
Hindi, kaya ko bumili nito.
Yes, she can.
Please, manood kayo para sulit naman.
Sulit
Please,
naman.
Oh my
watch
gosh.
closely. Okay.
Guys, bring out your phones.
Okay, kasi nga naman
Wow.
mukha siyang ipin eh.
Oh,
diba?
yeah.
So those of you who didn't see that, gagamitin daw po, pumayag si Barbie Forteza gamitin ang pearl necklace for this experiment.
Okay, sige. So, anong gagawin natin dito?
So Barbie, you can see the pearls, no? They actually look like our teeth and they
Yes.
behave like our teeth. They're like the enamel or surface.
Right.
So we're using this as an example kasi hindi pwedeng ngipin ko yung gamitin natin.
Tama naman. Oo.
So with these pearls, guys, you can see it's pristine. Let's assume, no? Let's think that's what my teeth look like before getting stained. Now, let's stain it. We have a staining solution here.
Ano po
Ito,
yung
brown
staining
liquid.
solution na ito?
Yes, yan ay pinaghalo-halo namin kape.
Yun na daw yung coffee mo kaninang morning.
Okay, meron din ditong tsaa, tea, black
Ito
tea,
ay coffee, ito ay tea.
and then meron tayong wine. So pinaghalo-halo namin yan para matapos.
Tinikman Okay.
Wait lang.
Okay,
Dami na yung coffee today. Marami na.
Okay, sorry. Mga experiment pala yun.
Pang kitchen yan, pang kitchen.
Sige, so saan natin i-dip?
Yes, so sa pinaghalo-halo nating stain, Barbie, kindly dip half of the necklace lang. Kalahati lang.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes, kalahati
Tama?
lang.
Okay.
We're gonna dip it.
Para ma-stain natin yung necklace. Okay! Ilan tayo na 1, 2, 3, guys?
Let's go.
2, 3.
Alright, Barbie, you can lift it up now.
Oh, it's so
Okay,
stained.
Stain, right? So with regular consumption of staining food and drink, your teeth can get really stained over time. Pero Barbie, dahil medyo instant yung ginawa natin, no? Parang medyo basa pa siya.
Oo nga eh.
I'll take that from you, Barbie, no?
Okay.
Yan. Isasampay muna natin siya sa gilid.
Isasampay.
Kasi tama,
Sasampay
after we
muna
eat,
natin.
usually hindi naman agad tayo nagtutoothbrush. So,
Yes.
then,
So we will let that sit for a while, and the stain will set, right? Pero dahil, syempre, inabangan namin to, nag-prepare kami, meron na kaming necklace dito na stinain na namin nung isang linggo pa. Ang tagal. So that's
Dumidikit talaga eh, no?
Yes, so
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
what it looks like when the stain sets on your teeth over time. So this is where close-up white now comes to the rescue, because you need to turn this half to something like this.
Kailangan
Yes.
maibalik.
Kailangan
May ibabalik ba?
We'll see, Barbie. So, what we will do is we will already treat the stained necklace part
Right.
sa solution ng close-up white now. So, nakikita nyo, it's very purple. Ganun din yung aming product. We will dip
Okay.
it in there.
this is our close-up white now
This
solution,
is a
guys.
close-up white now solution, no? Think of it as you brushing your teeth. This is like you brushing your teeth. So, dahil, syempre, pag nagtututbrush ka, hindi naman siya mabilisan lang.
Yes,
no?
yes,
We'll
yes.
let it stay there for a while. My assistant will hold this. In the meantime, while close-up white now is working on the stains, Barbie, familiar ka ba sa color wheel?
Yes!
Sigurado ka,
Okay.
ipa-quiz kita ha?
Hindi masyado. Okay, game.
May color wheel na si Doc. Okay.
Yes. So as you guys know, the color theory has a concept of complementary colors.
Right.
Yung mga nakinig sa grade 5
Okay,
science
mabuo
lesson
tayo.
niyo.
Kaya nakakaano
Alala niyo pa?
Okay. Brushing on. Hi, nanay. Hello. Nakikita niyo po ba dyan?
Yes.
Okay po. Okay, sige.
So complementary colors, they're the colors sitting on the opposite sides o magkabilang side ng color wheel. So sila, pag pinagsama, nagka-cancel out sila. So now, Barbie, I'll ask you, do you know what is the complementary color of red?
Green.
Green kaya?
Wow! Good job! Pasado na sa art class.
Okay,
One
okay,
point,
very
one
good sa
point.
easy round. Nakakatawa pala siya, no?
Bakit tayo pinakatakot?
Kinuhaan ka ng anong pros, pinapahulaan ka pa.
Okay, next round.
So again,
One point,
Hirapan
one
natin
ang
ang konti.
complementary color ng red ay
Green.
Okay,
Pahirapan natin si Barbie ng konti.
Nay, tulungan mo ko, Nay. Okay.
How
Okay.
about blue? What's the complementary color of blue? Does anyone know? Blue?
Anyone know?
Orange. Orange. Orange daw.
Let's see. It is orange.
Good job, guys! Wow! Oh my goodness!
I trust you with
Back
my
to
life.
school!
Alright. Last na, Barbie. Let's see kung perfect scorer ka today, How about yellow?
2
What do
points
you
na
think?
tayo. For the
2
third.
points na. For the
Yellow.
Playing for the third.
Yan alam ko yan. Basic yan. Purple.
Purple, violet.
And ding, 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 ding! 3 complete points for this Color of Fortune game. Round of applause, guys!
Thank you.
Actually, collaborative kasi tumulong din sila.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys.
Alright. Okay, now that we've had enough time na i-toothbrush na natin yung
Yes.
no? I will lift it up and Barbie, can
Okay.
you help me? Siyempre, pag nag-toothbrush, kailangan natin imumog. Kailangan
Of
natin
course.
i-rinse.
Kailangan natin i-rinse.
So Barbie, may I ask for your help to hold
Ako
the
ang
necklace?
gagawa.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Mumugan natin yung pearls. Please dip it into the water.
O sana so baka magamit magagamit pa ulit ni Barbie, no? Kapag
Sana.
Sana.
Yes, dip it here.
Okay, this is the rinsing part of your routine.
Ang satisfying.
Oh,
Alam mo,
wow.
ito yung mga napapanood ko sa TikTok. Hindi ba magpakulong na tayo?
Yeah.
Yung mga parang satisfying na nakikita natin mga videos na naiinis.
Yeah. It's exactly what it looks
Can you
like.
guys see from there, from back there?
Yeah, we're flashing it on screen.
Up and down konti, up and down konti. Yan.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe a
Okay.
little bit more. Kasi makapit talaga yung purple
Can
dyes
you
na
guys
nasa
see?
face natin.
And take note guys, dip lang to Hindi pa namin siya binabrush or pinupunasan.
Ayan.
So even, so satisfying.
Ang aliw!
Right.
Ganito pala.
Ayan.
Oh my
Yes. Now,
Parang mas white na siya dito. Ba't ganon?
Ayan.
Parang mas pumuti siya.
Ganun ba yun, Miss Gladys?
Diba?
Mas naging white?
yes, that's how it works. Look at the pearls now. They have come back to their natural bright white color with the help of close-up white now. Naniniwala ka na ba, Barbie, that this
So
product works?
cool. Tsaka live namin ginawa,
Live to,
guys.
guys.
ah.
Walang
And
daya.
Hindi
Live
kami
to.
parang magic dito sa stage.
Totoo, and to all our friends, kapag malayo man kayo, we are giving you a close-up of our stage experiment if you look at the screens on the sides.
Diba? Parang hindi siya nadunghan in the first place.
Exactly. Pero mas luminas nga talaga siya, no?
Yes, we hope this experiment helps show you that close-up white now not only removes surface stains but also color corrects the yellow tones in your teeth. So Barbie, confident ka na ba when we say this product, it really instantly whitens your teeth from the first brush?
Actually, Miss Gladys, kanina pa naman ako confident. Gusto ko lang din para dun sa mga taong nandito na patunayan kung gaano ka-effective instantly ang close-up white now.
Naniniwala na ba
Iba
kayo,
pag
guys?
sinabi mo
Yes?
lang, iba pag chinika mo lang, iba pag pinakita mo. Diba?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Barbie, for your help. And thank you guys for listening.
Thank
hope
you
you
so
are as
much,
excited as us about Close-Up White now. And
Of course, Miss Gladys and Barbie, we also want to say thank you guys for helping us make this experiment so successful. I just have one question. Naniniwala na ba kayo sa power ng close-up white now? That being said, everybody, thank you so much. Barbie, Miss Gladys, we hope to see you around. This has been Steffi Lucero for Close Up. Let's make some noise for Close Up, everybody. Thank you.
Okay po. And then, tsaka I just want to highlight na, di ba mahilig tayo ngayon talaga yung mapuputi yung ngipin, yun talaga yung goal natin. Tapos to have a product that is so available and accessible anywhere, parang grabe yung binigay sa ating
Barbie, Fortesa, welcome back to GMA Integrated News Interviews. Finally, na solo din kita.
Oo nga, matagal lang nakaschedule to
Oo,
eh.
parati kami chaperon dati. Pag ini-interview
Oo
kita
nga,
eh.
oo. At
Oo.
least ngayon, one-on-one, no?
One-on-one.
Love
And
it.
let's talk about muna yung P77. Okay, ang ganda ng description na nabasa ko dito eh. Mind-bending horror film.
Correct.
And this is the first time I'm seeing you in a horror film.
Yes.
How is it for you?
It's a dream come true for me because I am a big horror movie fan. And it's my reunion project with my director, Derek Cabrido. And ang ganda ng story, ang talino. At to be honest, medyo na-challenge ako, na-pressure ako dito sa material
In what way?
namin na to. Because, we're really gonna attack the mind of the character. We're really gonna dissect the mind of Luna Caceres. We will delicately delve into PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. So, we made sure na ma-execute namin ng maayos dahil doon magsisimula yung real-life horror ng character ni Luna Caceres.
Nakaka-proud kasi nakita ko yung teaser, di ba? And doon pa lang, sa teaser pa lang, kitang-kita na yung I mean, kung gaano siya nakakatakot. Just by looking at your expressions doon, ano, paano ka naghanda?
Medyo medyo malalang preparation. Kasi it's a totally new genre for me. And going back to filmmaking is always challenging kasi iba yung disiplina at yung pag-arte mo as compared to TV acting. Yung TV acting kasi mas malaki, mas animated per se. Ang pelikula mas nuanced, mas subtle yung pag-change of expression. Pero dapat malinaw. Malinaw yung mensahe, malinaw yung objective mo sa eksena. So, doon ako na-challenge kasi meron akong kasabay na TV project na ginagawa with P77. At yun nga ay Ang Pulang Araw na malaki din ang demands. So, kailangan ko siyang i-alternate talagang yung disiplina when it comes to technicalities of acting. Kailangan ko siyang
Wait lang.
i-alternate.
I-cut kita dyan. Yung Pulang Araw, di ba, niloloko nga kita. Hindi ka pa ba nade-dehydrate?
Yun.
Di ba, bawat eksena, umiiyak ka.
Umiiyak, yes. Oo.
So, kasabay na.
Kasabay. Parang MWF Pulang Araw, tapos TTHS P77.
Hindi ka nabaliw?
Yun yung medyo naging fear ko at the time, to be honest. And sabi ko nga, kaya malaking tulong sa akin na malakas yung support na nakukuha ko from my team, from my family, kasi they keep me grounded. And they keep me sane. Kasi mahirap parehas siyang emotionally demanding yung both projects. So, yun. Na-challenge ako, yes, pero it's definitely one for the books, yung experience na yon. And given the chance, I would do it again, for sure.
Kasi, nabalitaan ko, yung while you're shooting P77, challenge sa'yo kasi nauunahan ka ng gulat. Totoo.
Oo! Kasi syempre alam ko na yung mangyayari sa eksena, di ba? So may mga times na nauuna talaga yung gulat. I'm a big horror fan. So ako talaga yung market. So yung level of fear ko, tapos ako pa yung nagpo-portray ng horror na pelikula. Mahirap, ha? Lalo na nag-dubbing kami nung medyo parang 70% done na yung film. Tapos nun ko pa lang siya napapanood. Yung gulat ko totoo Oo, ang hirap mag-focus dun sa idadub mo na na voice over.
Oo.
Kaya talagang very, very exciting tong project na to.
Well, there's another big project.
Yes.
Grabe, ang swerte mo ngayong taon. Parang, ano ba yan?
Thank you.
Oo. Aside
Salamat.
from P77, meron ka ring Beauty Empire.
Beauty Empire.
Let's talk about you and Kailin Alcantara first. How is it working with her again?
Ngayon ko lang siya nakatrabaho.
Ngayon lang?
Sa isang teleserye. Nakakatrabaho ko na po siya dati sa All Out Sundays.
Yes.
So, sumasayaw na kami together, nagsispills na kami together. Pero ngayon ko lang siya na-experience as an actress. At masasabi ko na she's very delightful and generous. And she's very genuine when it comes to giving emotions sa eksena. Marunong siyang magtimpla ng eksena.
Magbato.
Yes, oo. At saka malalim. Malalim yung hugot niya bilang aktor. Kaya isa yun sa mga hinahangaan ko talaga kay Kailin. And I'm very, very happy and grateful na kasama ko siya dito sa proyektong ito.
Pero nakita natin yung teaser dati, yung campy teaser kasama si Miss Rufa Gutierrez.
Yes.
Oo. I'm sure maraming backstories yan habang sinushoot nyo yan. Nakakatawa yan
Oo, for sure. Lalo na si Miss Rufa Gutierrez, ang dami niya talagang mga jokes na hindi niya sinasadyang maging joke. Kaya I would say na Miss Rufa talaga is naturally funny. Tapos, napaka-approachable niya, napaka-accommodating niya. So, mas madali rin para sa amin ni Kailin na gumawa ng eksena with her kasi ang warm niya kasama at saka ang fun niya kasama.
Itong yung napanood natin na campy na teaser, ibang-iba yung napapanood natin ngayon.
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
There's a lot of drama. There's a lot of yung talagang nagpupuyos na naggalit.
Yes, yes.
I'm sure iba rin ang preparation mo dito.
Oo naman. And this project, Beauty Empire, is something we're very proud of kasi it's definitely a new flavor for GMA Primetime. Kasi it's not your typical family drama. Ang dami naming layers. Meron kang camp, meron kang murder mystery, meron kang revenge, pero syempre hindi mawawala dyan ng family drama. At syempre, ang love story. So parang, kuha namin lahat ng genre eh. So, third slot pa kami. So parang, it is the perfect show to end your day. Kasi mararamdaman mo lahat at kakapitan mo lahat ng characters. So, Beauty Empire is, I would say, a memorable project for me. Kasi, also, one of my dream projects is a woman-centric type of project, whether it be in film or TV, ganyan. Something that would really encourage women empowerment. At napatunayan ko yun lahat at nakukuha ko yun lahat sa Beauty Empire. Kasi kahit sa set, ramdam na ramdam mo yung girl power. Si Miss Gloria Diaz nandun, si Miss Rufa Gutierrez, si Kailin, ako, si Miss Isay, at marami pang iba na lahat talagang nagtatrabaho at lahat ay mararamdaman mo talaga yung ambag nila doon sa show, doon sa storya. So grabe lang yung energy sa set. Women energy sa set. I love it.
Go girl.
Yes,
Ganon.
ganun talaga. Gabby Padilla is also there, Chai Fonacher, marami kami.
Ang gaganda ng line-up.
Yes, oo.
Pero teka, pinalabas na yung yung eksena nyo ni Choi Bo-min
Yes. Correct.
Nagginagawang meme.
Oo nga.
I'm
Oo
sure
nga.
napapanood mo yun sa online.
Yes, oo. Nung nung sa View pa lang kami na ipapalabas, nag-viral na yung eksenang yun, yung Korean dialogue ko with Choi Bo-min. Na super na-appreciate ko nun si Choi
Impressive.
Bo-min. Kasi kinokorek niya naman ako kung mali ako eh. Pero yung Omere, very good niya ako nun. So, sabi ko, so confident naman ako na tama siya. Kasi coming from a Korean actor na talaga eh.
I had to watch it multiple times eh.
Yeah.
Kasi natutuwa ako sa'yo. Parang dinab ba ito?
Hindi. And I had to learn it just 15 minutes before the take.
No way.
Yung mga Korean lines ko laging surprise eh.
So nakatulong sa iyo yung panonood mo ng mga Korean dati?
I don't watch Korean
You
drama.
don't?
I don't. So, everything is new. Ayan.
Oo.
So,
Ay.
inaalalayan naman ako ni Bo-min dyan, to be fair. Kaya
At saka,
confident din ako na tama yung ginawa ko.
Nakakatawa yung expression mo, para ka na sa K-drama.
Yes, oo. I think they really wanted to be that way. I mean, hence the Korean actor, diba?
Oo.
So, yun.
Ang galing. Marami pa kami may expect na ganyan.
Na Korean lines?
Na Korean lines?
May pabugso-bugso. Kasi syempre, we have to consider also the Filipino audience.
Oo.
Diba? We have to cater to both View audience and free TV audience. So yes, from time to time, may mga ganyan. Si Bo-min, meron din siyang mga Filipino lines. Ganyan.
Ikaw naman ang nagtuturo.
Yes, may ganyan. Pero mostly talaga si Direk Mark de la Cruz, tsaka yung translator.
Kasi even yung comments na nakikita ko, even yung mga K-drama fans, natutuwa sa ginawa mo.
Mixed reactions, actually. May ibang natutuwa, may ibang natatawa, may ibang na-offend, may ibang challenge nila yung mga sarili nila. Parang kasi yung I think it was Creation or View ba, na nagpa-challenge sa TikTok na gawin yung dialogue ko in Korean. Tapos maraming gumawa. So nakakatuwa kasi ganun sila ka-engaged dun sa show. Na ganun sila ka-involved dun sa show. Nakakatuwa.
Katuwa. I-share ko lang, kasi di ba pag nagkukwentuhan tayo, pag binibisita kita minsan sa set, tinatanong ko, ano pa ba yung mga hindi mo nagagawang mga genre? Sabi mo, di ba, parang hindi pa ako nakakagawa ng horror film. Gusto ko yung nakakatakot talaga. And this time, eto ka na. Pero hindi madali.
Actually, lahat ng yung ibang interviews ko with you, memorable for me. Kasi naalala ko, ikaw yung unang nagtanong sa akin after Maria Clara at Ibarra. Parang after the success of Maria Clara at Ibarra, ano pa yung gusto mong gawin? Tapos sabi ko, gusto kong magkapelikula. Tapos nagkatotoo. Tapos nung, I think it was just last year, yung Christmas party naman ng Sparkle, tinanong mo ako, ano yung gusto mong genre ng pelikula? Sabi ko, horror. Nagkatotoo. So feeling ko lucky charm kita. Lahat ng pinag-uusapan natin nagkakatotoo.
Sasabihin ko lang nag-research ako talaga.
Okay.
Like, kanina I was looking at yung data namin. Sa'yo pa lang ng mga solo interviews ko, 292 interviews.
Oh my God! Since 2009?
Simula nung nagsimula ka, simula nung Stairway,
Grabe.
simula noon, 292.
Ang tagal na pala nating
Oo,
magkasama.
and I will not say I know a lot about you. But you know, at least, diba, komportable tayo sa isa't isa.
Oh, yes. Oo
Oo,
naman.
292 ba naman?
Grabe, no?
Hindi pa kasama yung mga dati, ha? May
Closing
mga
in
nauna pa doon na
300
nasira.
interviews na pala tayo.
Oo. Lahat na yata ng mga major sa buhay mo, like your
But before
graduation.
anything, I want to ask, are you still okay? Are you okay? Are you feeling okay? How are you feeling now?
Is that a threat?
No, I'm just asking. I'm just asking.
No,
Because now that I'm aware, I want to know if you're okay.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
go. Carry
I'm
on.
okay. Okay, and sabi ko nga sa'yo, like, you know, I don't want to claim that I know you very well.
Oh, thank you.
Because,
that means a lot.
ano ka eh, I've seen how you take care of people. Even, yung mga small nuances mo, like yung pag magkasama tayo, like, di ba, meron kang look eh, na parang, okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Like, parang, and I know you don't fake it because you do it every time. Like, yung in a crowd, bigla kang titingin sa akin. And, you know, I really appreciate that. At sasabihin ko na sa'yo, isa ka doon sa mga artista na iniingatan kong tanungin
Oh, thank you.
because I know how you value your privacy.
Oh, thank you.
But sometimes you just have to ask things eh.
Sure. I mean, it's your job.
Yeah. Okay. How's your heart now?
It's burning red. Very happy.
Very happy.
Very happy.
Oo. Are we talking about it in such a way na kasi nakakapag-me time ka and you discovered yourself after a while?
Definitely, yes. I have, kumbaga parang, I know where to put my focus on now, especially on my free days. I look forward to them kasi ang dami kong gustong gawin. Gusto
Marami
kong
kang sightings, wait lang.
Pilates?
Kasi may,
Oh, sige.
biglang may magte-text sa akin, alam mo ba, nandito si Barbie sa coffee shop, mag-isa lang siya.
See?
Sabi ko, hayaan mo siya.
Hayaan mo siya. Time niya yan.
Kaya niya yan.
Oh, yeah.
So you really do that?
Yes, I do. Yan talaga
Which you haven't done before.
Oo. Well, kasi syempre, busy din. Tapos, ewan ko, siguro yung parang drive ko to really go out is hindi ganun ka lakas at the time. Pero parang, at the beginning of this year, parang ang dami kong masyadong energy. Tapos hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilulugar. That's why I also discovered running. I tried tennis, Pilates, ganyan. Parang ang dami kong masyadong good energy. Tapos hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. So, ang saya kasi it makes me productive. Na parang from a person na hindi morning person or hindi palalabas, talagang grabe yung naging change ng buhay ko since the beginning of this year. Parang lahat yon nawala. Mas outgoing ako ngayon, mas excited ako to see people, to meet people, to
Just
do
your glow.
things.
Iba yung glow mo.
Thank you. Thank you.
I wouldn't say na wala kang glow before, pero iba. Like, yung nag-mature na glow.
Ay, wow.
And that
Maraming
happy
salamat.
glow.
Maraming salamat. Sabi ko nga rin sa team ko, parang ito yung time na magmula umpisa ng taon, hindi pa ako nagkakasakit. Siguro kasi hindi ako stressed. Kumbaga parang yung katawan ko, mas hinahanap niya talaga na lumabas, to do something, 'di ba? To look forward to the next day, ganyan. Talagang I just have this unexplainable na good energy. Na parang kahit na marami akong trabaho, which I'm really, really grateful for, hindi ako napapagod, hindi ako nagkakasakit, unlike before, sakitin ako dati. Ngayon parang ang lively ko palagi, yung ganun.
You know, I was looking at comments, before I did this interview. May mga names ng mga lalaki na lumabas. And I'm going to bluntly ask you. Of course, ito, no-brainer to. I mean, Alden Richards, I know. Best friend mo.
Yes.
Pero that's all there is.
Oo
Best friend.
naman. Ako, kami ni Alden, magkaibigan kami magmula pa ng Twin Academy. Sa The Road, magkasama na rin kami. Horror film din yun, by GMA Films. So, marami na kaming pinagsamahan ni Alden. And I'm really grateful kasi parang nung simula ng taon, nagkataon na parehas kaming mas may time mas may free time para tumakbo, 'di ba? Para mas magkasama. Kasi sa tagal namin magkaibigan, noon lang kami talaga nagkasama.
Yung
Kasi lagi
naging
kaming
magbarkada
busy.
talaga.
Oo. So, finally, parehas kaming nagkaroon ng more free time to spend together. So, mas nakilala ko siya bilang tao, bilang kaibigan, mas nakapag-catch up kami, ganyan. So, nakakatuwa. And ang one thing about Alden, he's always very supportive. At saka siya yung tipo ng kaibigan na maaasahan mo talaga. Tsaka I would consider Alden as one of my constants talaga. Yung pag may problema ako, Alden, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi naman ako nangungutang. Pero like,
Hindi po totoo yun.
Hindi naman
po
ganong
totoo
level. Pero like, kung kailangan ko lang ng, kunyari, advice, kasi syempre, mas marami na siyang experience.
Oo, ma-advise si RJ.
Diba? Oo, pagdating sa trabaho, sa career, ganyan, marami talaga siyang nabibigay sa akin mga payo.
Masakit nga lang siya mag-advise, no?
Kasi totoo. Pero yun kasi yung
Hindi,
kailangan
kasi no
ko.
filter siya mag-advise.
Yes, oo. Yun ang kailangan ko rin kasi. So, lagi ko naman yun nakukuha from him. So, I'm really, really grateful for him.
I'll move on to the next name,
Sure.
Jameson Blake.
Jameson Blake, nagkatrabaho kami sa isang pelikula, which will be shown, I think, last quarter of this year, if I'm not mistaken.
Hindi pa napapalabas?
Hindi pa.
Oo.
Matagal pa.
So, dun pala yun, kasi people are speculating. Nagpo-post kayo, nang bigla naman you're running together,
Yeah.
baka there's something going on.
Actually, maraming ang medyo na-confuse kasi paano naman nag-cross ang landas
Yun
namin,
din.
di ba? So, yun, nagkasama kami sa pelikula and he also did a project with Alden. Kaya rin siya nakasama dun sa run ni Alden for Mowel Fun na tinanong niya ako about it, ganyan. Tapos, itong recent run namin, siya naman yung nag-invite. Just like how my other runner friends invite me to run. So, it's pretty, yun lang talaga yun. And we are not together. Ano lang talaga,
Diretso, diba?
marami lang talagang nasa running era ngayon. And ang saya lang kasi
We run together but we're not together.
yan, ganyan. So
Maganda yung di ba? Ito yun.
we're not together. Pero masaya kasi pag sinabi mong running, yung mga kaibigan ko, parang ako lahat yung tinatawagan. Ako lagi yung, takbo tayo, ganyan. Kaya si Gerald Napoles, si Christopher
Ikaw
Martin.
yata yung madaling kalad ka rin.
Yun nga eh. So parang nakakatuwa naman.
David Licauco.
David Licauco,
I know you're being shipped kasi subdive because of Barda.
yes. Oo. I'm aware of
Personally,
that also.
What's going on in there?
Personally, well, to be honest, nang simula ng taon na to, I would say na we've grown closer talaga as compared to before. I have to be honest. So, I think it's safe to say na mas close kami ngayon. And I think the care that we have for each other is really genuine. I think it's coming from having worked for 2-3 years already.
So, naging totoong friends kayo?
Naman.
As opposed to before
Oo
na
naman.
friends.
Oo naman.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah. I mean, and you know David, I mean, he's the type of guy na pag komportable na siya sa'yo, pwede talaga siyang makapagkwento ng mga bagay na personal para sa kanya, na na-appreciate ko. Kasi ibig sabihin, pinagkakatiwalaan niya ako to open up to me, diba? So, ganun din ako sa kanya. Especially this year. Mas close kami ngayon.
Pero strong yung pag-ship sa inyo eh. Like,
Ah,
you know what, di ba? I mean,
Yes,
like,
yes.
Barda, and
Yes.
you know, it should go beyond the screen. Parang ganyan. So, how are you feeling pag ganyan?
Well, I guess it goes hand in hand. Kasi, again, we care for each other, and I also have to be honest about it. It's good business. Diba? Na people tend to ship us pa rin kahit na sa ngayon, medyo nagso-solo era kami. Diba? Nakakatuwa kasi andyan pa rin yung mga tao, nandyan pa rin yung mga sumusuporta sa amin since Maria Clara at Ibarra. So, I think it goes hand in hand. It's a win-win situation. And I also like the fact na napaka-considering at napaka-sweet ng fans kasi they support us as a love team and they also support us as individuals also. So nakakatuwa naman yun.
Nung taping ng 75th anniversary
Yeah.
ng
Yes.
GMA. In one of the moments there, off-cam, hindi naman nakita on-cam, in-approach ka ni Jack. Can you share a little bit of kung ano yung nangyari?
Well, about that, since there was a photo that came out, I think I don't have to discuss it any further. Yeah. Kasi may photo naman na lumabas.
Pero that's just about it. Like,
Yes, oo. Sorry, let me rephrase na lang. I don't want to discuss it any further.
and I respect that.
Thank you.
You know where I live.
Hindi, we're good.
We're good friends. We're good friends. We're good friends. You know, ang tingin ko kasi sa'yo, Barbies, you're not guarded. I wouldn't say you're guarded. Like parang you say what you mean to say, but you have boundaries.
Yes, that I have learned.
You learn.
Yes.
Pero even in the past, kahit anong bata ka hindi ka rin naman yung lahat ibibigay.
Well, kasi nga, I'm here for the long run. I want to say na I'm here for the long run. So, ang hirap naman na kung all my life nandito ako sa industriyang ito, tapos puro pagpapanggap ang ipapakita ko, diba? So,
Or lahat nakabuyang niyang na.
Exactly. So, as much as possible, I want to be transparent. Pero, ayoko namang ibigay lahat. Kasi syempre, ako naman bilang tao, deserve ko naman na I keep some for myself, diba? And, aaminin ko, hindi ako agad nakarating dito sa point na to ng buhay ko. Syempre, sa bata ako nagsimula eh. So, sa tagal siguro ng journey ko bilang artista, natutunan ko na hindi lahat hindi lahat kailangan mong sabihin or hindi lahat kailangan mong i-share. It's your right. I mean, you have to protect your peace at the end of the day. And yun yung natutunan ko. And I'm really, really happy for all the things that happened to me kasi nakarating ako sa puntong ito ng buhay ko dahil doon.
And that's maturity, my friend.
Thank you.
And isa yun sa mga hinahangaan ko sa'yo. Na-enjoy mo itong singlehood. Hindi ka naghahanap ng, katabi, kasama?
Well, mabilis akong kiligin. So, parang, ang sa akin, madali rin sa akin na mag-draw ng inspiration. So, simply, let's say, from friends, from my family, from the fans, yung mga feedback ng fans, parang ang bilis kong kiligin. And
Mas
so from
feeling
there,
ka ngayon.
mas ganyan. So mas parang yung longingness of having someone napupunan agad. Kasi madali akong kiligin sa simpleng bagay, like yung bilhan lang ako ng kape ng team ko, or makitsikahan ko lang si Kailin, 'di ba? May mabasa lang akong comments from fans, ganyan. So yun, madali namang mapunan yung kilig na hinahanap ko.
Pero I want
you.
to know, as a person, you've achieved a lot.
Ay, thank you naman.
Like,
Thank you.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mula bata ka, like,
Magkasama na tayo.
You've been a very hard worker.
Ay, wow, thank you.
Like, wala kang inurungan pagdating na sa projects eh. Where's that coming from? Where's that drive coming from?
Passion. I really love acting. Yun talaga yung core ko. I always say to myself, I always remind myself, don't aim for fame, aim for respect. It's more lasting. So, kasi aminin ko, sa takbo ng karera ko in my 16 years in the industry, I've had my highs and lows. Pero ang naging consistent since day one, yung respeto sa akin ng mga tao.
Because even you respect your craft.
Yes.
So much.
And even the people around me see how much I respect everyone's time, my craft, my passion, and yung trabaho ng lahat. So, yeah.
And when you say something, tinutupad mo.
Ay,
Like,
thank you.
parang, like, pangarap mo yung ganito, and gagawin mo in 2 or 3 years, probably.
Yes.
Next year, mas maganda. I cannot tell you how proud I was when I learned na nagkaroon ka na ng bahay.
Ay, nako.
Like, I know how important that is for you.
Yes.
And your
yes.
family.
Super, super. Ano yan, isa talaga yan sa mga naging motivation ko when I was doing Maria Clara at Ibarra. Kasi yung palang yung medyo nakaka-recover tayo from the pandemic. So,
At dugot pawis yan, ha?
Oo, dugo,
Kasi
pawis,
alam ko
luha.
yun na habang nagme-memorya ka ng
Yes.
line sa pulang araw, mo-order ka ng tiles, eh.
Di ba?
Alam
diba?
ko yun,
Ng
eh.
pinto, ganyan.
Huwag mo nang kausapin mo order ng tiles.
Oo, dahil Diyos ko, oo. So, grabe yun. Grabe yung experience na yun. And sobrang nagpapasalamat ako dahil napagdaanan ko lahat yun. Kasi ngayon, looking back, sobrang fruitful ng mga proyekto ko at sobrang fruitful nung naging resulta ng bahay ko. Kasi talagang from the ground up ko siya talaga tinrabaho.
But that's your gift to your parents.
My parents and myself also.
And
Kasi
yourself.
para, ginusto ko rin talagang patunayan sa sarili ko na, okay, nag-pandemic. Okay, medyo nag-struggle ako. I mean, like everybody else did, di ba? Pero this is not the end of me. Babangon ako, definitely. Lahat tayo. And yun naman yung hinangaan ko sa ating lahat, 'di ba? Kasi lahat tayo talagang pinabagsak tayo ng pandemic eh. Everyone. Walang piniling industriya. Kahit mga airlines, 'di ba? Akalain mo yun. So, naging motivation yun sa akin na hindi ito ang magiging katapusan ko. Babangon ako. I will do everything. Kunin ko lahat. Mag-guest ako dito. Magsusupport ako dito sa show na to. Mag-host ako dito. Rarakit ako dito. Ganyan. Kahit medyo may danger pa ng COVID before. Kunin ko lahat yan. Mas yun talaga yung nag-push sa akin. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi ngayon, nakakwento ko na siya with pride.
Kasi
Kasi nalagpasan
mo na.
Nalagpasan ko siya.
Pero nabago mong buhay, hindi lang buhay mo, buhay ng lahat ng mahal mo sa buhay.
Ay, wow. Nako, I think that's the greatest achievement, if you would ask me.
Have you tried thanking yourself?
Thanking myself, I don't think I've ever done that. Pero mas good job. Mas parang, see, kaya mo? Or yung parang, she believed she could, so she did.
And you
Mas
did.
ganyan. Yes, I did.
And you really did.
Yes! I'm
Proud
so
ka.
happy!
You know, I really love to explore this. At sabi ko nga, minsan lang kita ma-interview ng matagalan. And I really love this interview.
I really love this interview also.
Thank you
so
very
much
much.
for making me comfortable. Thank you.
Thank you.